Mask on, man. Left side! Covering left! Covering left! You're too far back, man. Move up, Adrian. FC, if you need support, call me. I was talking to FC. Hence why I started the sentence with FC, if you need support, call me. Yeah, I know. You got one on your right as well. Behind the blue van. Magazine. Damn it. One died. FC, tell me where it's coming from. No, you got one right in front of you, man. Oh, I got him. I got him. I think it was just a delayed reaction. Dead man walking out. Don't shoot the guy with his hands up. Red car on the left side. Center. Okay, shifting.
Moving up, right side. Charge behind the cable wheel thing. Okay, I'll stay here then. Come here.
No angle. Hit. Nice one. Okay, let me move around.
Right side, he can come on your side, so. Right side. I'll let you know if he's coming on towards this side.
Got one. I think he's moving to the left a bit.喂，死人啊！好打我。
阿 Jeff 啊，唔好咁樣射啊！
喂，死人唔好講嘢。
Okay. Just telling him not to shoot.
It's okay, I can check. I mean, I don't know. Maybe if you're confused about whether or not you're dead, you know, I can help you check.
It's just like chilling there. Is it 3-on-3 right now?
I think it's 3-on-1.
No, it's still 3-on-3 right now.
Oh, we still got guys in our team? You dead? Whoa! Dang! Whoa! Whoa!
Alright. Game over, game over.